みなちゃん、こんにちは。今日は Happy Kinyoubi I. We want tanoshi. So today's video will be tango, which means vocabulary in Japanese. Tango. 今日の単語は words we will use to greet people during the day. 初めてのは the first one is みなちゃん、おはようございます。おはようございます means good morning, and it is a very polite way to greet people in Japan. Now, if we're close friends or well acquainted, we could say Ohayo. Ohayo is much more casual and easy to say. Ohayo, Mina-chan, Ohayo. Mina-chan, Ohayo gozaimasu. Majide, mo jikanないよ. All that running has made me hungry for our next word, which is Konnichiwa, which is used as hello, though it literally means this day is. Another way to say hi or hey, though not very polite, is just simply oi. And we would say that to people we are very well acquainted with, otherwise it may seem extremely rude. But if you have a close friend or someone you know sees you favorably, you can say oi. So at the end of the day, instead of konnichiwa, we change our greeting to konbanha, which means good evening. Mina-chan, konbanha. Bowing is also very polite. Oh, so what do we say before we go to sleep? Well, that's the next word, which is o yasumi nasai. O yasumi nasai. To our close friends, Mina-chan, we can say oyasumi, 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 oyasumi. Chan, I hope you sleep really well tonight. Oyasumi. So that concludes our special vocabulary lesson for today. I hope you enjoyed it. So to review, we have Ohayo gozaimasu or Ohayo, Konnichiwa, konbanha, o yasumi nasai, oyasumi. Mina-chan, 本当にありがとう for watching today. I hope you learned a lot. Mina-chan, 今日もよく頑張りましたね。では、またね。Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, or share if you enjoyed this and you think someone else would too. I really appreciate your support. Keep up the subarashi work. いいね。